What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to solve, how to fix and how to deal with orphaned content for SEO. This is an important SEO issue and it's not that hard to solve it, okay? And it's very important for your on-page SEO strategy to gain page rank, to rank higher on Google search engine, and of course to get more traffic on your website page or blog posts, okay? So before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics, not just international sites favor. So let's get this started. And first thing, I need to explain what is orphaned content. Orphaned content is a content that doesn't get any links from other posts or pages on the same website. As a result of that, this content is hard to find on both Google and site visitors. Posts and pages need internal links to fit into site structure and be findable. Simple, right? How to find this? In this site, I'm using Yoast SEO Premium, but there is a lot of SEO plugins that you can use, and all the SEO plugins do this, okay? So if I go to Yoast, into the WordPress left sidebar of menus, hover my mouse over Yoast and go to Tools, the Yoast gonna start crawling my site, okay, verifying every single page, posts, content, and after you see this issue, this message right here, SEO data optimization complete, you can go to any section of your site. I go to posts, for example, okay, any section of your site that you have content, for example, posts, pages, products, okay, and review this part at the top, okay, this highlighted part. We have all, mine, published, drafted, cornerstone content, orphaned content, scale, cornerstone content, okay. So what is this? This three parts right here has been added to me by Yoast SEO plugin, and if I click right here, I can find all of the orphaned content posts. What does this mean? It means that this post right here have no links linking to it in other parts of my site, so it's orphan, okay. How to solve it? I go to this post, I click on view, for example, I copy the post URL. Now I go to any other post of my site, okay, it can be any other post. For example, normally I find posts that have relation with this post, okay. Let's go to my dashboard and find other posts, into posts. Let's search for some keyword related to this post into the upper right corner of my screen. Right here I can find a couple of posts, okay. Here is mine. I'm gonna find this post right here, for example. I'm gonna get the URL of the orphan post and link into some part of this other post right here, into some relevant anchor, okay. So for example, just like this, I'm gonna update. Let's go back to the WordPress dashboard. Now if I go to the orphaned content, I can see now 11 and not anybody 12, okay. So I have one last orphaned content, and you can do this with every single post of your site. This is very important for your SEO structure and strategy, okay. Of course, this happens on page, this happens on products, this happens on posts, this happens on any kind of custom post type you have. For example, in my pages, I have two orphan pages, two pages that no section of my site links for it, and I need to fix this for a better SEO. And this is a tip that I give for you, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Visual Modo borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site. Or Enzu WordPress theme, the best WordPress theme that can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where we can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, all for free. In addition, for site.gallery, a CSS gallery where you can promote your site, or app, or landing page, or game designs, And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, count on our full support, premium tools, blockers, assets, plugins, templates, and many more things to create the site of your dreams, go to visualmodo.com and purchase the Visual Modo Pass. You're gonna have access to all our tools, and it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!